everybody. I thought I'll do a video of me opening my Crayon case package. It finally came. So let's open this baby. I'm like so excited. This big old package. Ooh, la, la, la. So I pulled out this card. It says, thank you, subscribe to our site, keep up with the latest Crayon case details with Miss Super on it. So my first package, my other package don't come until Monday, so sad face. So first time I bought the Ruler eyeshadow palette. So here it is, the Ruler eyeshadow palette. It's called the NewRule 12 Nude Palette. So I am a nude person. I just don't got a good eyeshadow palette with nude colors. So of course she came out. Of course I just love her. I thought I'll buy it. Oh my God, look at this. This is bomb. So it comes with this little plastic piece that, like, I guess has all the colors, names, and everything on it. So I don't have to guess on which colors I'm using. So that is good. I like that about it. None of my eyeshadow palettes was broke. So that's good. And I like it because it also comes in like units of what we used in school, like mile, yard, foot, inch, light year, kilometer, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter, meter. Like, this is beyond nice and beautiful. Like, it even have a clip. Y'all hear that? So I am going to use this palette. I am going to make a YouTube video on using this palette. I think on my daughter. I think I'm gonna give her that chance to be the first one, since I have on makeup today. So watch the next video of me using this palette on my little lady. And I hope you guys love it, because I was excited to get this. I was waiting on this, and I will be waiting on another package, and I will open it again on YouTube. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Keep watching. Go buy you a Crayon case eyeshadow palette. It was only $20. You will love it. Thank you guys.